the dough. Heading to a car meet. You probably can't see me because the low light isn't on. We're gonna roll out. Hopefully no one gets killed. Oh, in the Mazda Speed 3.
Alright.
Rumbling the seats. Solid motor mounts.
Not too much, right?
Race car stuff. Hey, what's going on, guys? We are actually headed out to a car meet tonight.
Get ready.
Is that right?
Get ready.
I don't really know what to expect. I've never been to this meet before, but it's the end of the year, so I'm hoping that it's gonna, you know, end with a bang. So we're into my buddy's Mazda Speed 3 tonight. Had to let the Subi stay at home tonight because I got bald tires and I'm showing some wires. So I decided to, you know, do the safer decision and just roll with the buddy. So we're heading out. You scraped pretty bad on that driveway there,
Yeah, right.
Kyle.
Just gotta make sure those clips don't pop off.
Dang, man. Neighborhood's rough for the lowriders, you know? Woo! Boosted. Forgot we're in the speed. It got a turbo, baby. Damn. Oh, gimbal broke. Oh, so much torque.
Nah.
All right, we got a tuned Mazda Speed 3 built motor. You know, pushing XXX horsepower.
Right.
It's for us to know and for you to find out on the street how much horsepower we're pushing. But yeah, it ain't no slouch. I can guarantee that. We're just cruising, you know, a $180.
Right. They're going to arrive alive.
Yeah, we're just chilling, you know, we're in conservation mode, MPG to the max right now. Woo! Burning the rubber. Damn, she cracked loose right there, first gear. Traction control off. Yeah, things are under control. All right, we're almost to the meet. Not really, we're lost. But yeah, we're on our way somewhere. Will we make it? Nobody knows. Stay tuned. All right, well, we just missed an exit. We missed one exit. Wait, what's another? We missed two. It's all right. Meet doesn't start till 7. It's about 6:47. So we got plenty of time, plenty of time. Vino Pacific Highlands Ranch. Dang, this is freaking hoity-toity. Oh, really? The Mustang just revving. Just pulling up to the meet now. Looks pretty busy, even though we're like 10 minutes early. But it's all right, you know, all the car guys in one place. I'm not in my natural habitat in my Subaru, but well, that's not annoying at all. Poor Honda CR-V.
It's full upstairs.
Is it full? Okay.
Top lot's full.
We're over here.
If you can snag it, it's yours. Right, we found the spot in this wild freaking parking structure here. Damn, these alarms, man, are killing my audio. Just killing my audio, bro. Thing's sick. See it rolling through. Yeah, sick. Yeah. My Subi gang's here, but they don't know it. Achoo, God bless you. God bless you. God damn. Let's get us out of them pipes. Damn, thing is stands. Hey. Aye. All right, we get it. American, baby. They're getting rowdy out here.
Easy now. Some good smokeouts going on. Oh, we got another Frankenstein build.
Slowly. Leave there. Slowly.
Things are going off the charts, lad. Things are getting insane out here. The rent-a-cop trying to break it up, but they're just getting more rowdy. Now he's got a fog machine over there. He's playing in the fog. Damn, get kicked out of one spot, they go right down the street. Like 20 feet down the road and they do another burnout. Gotta admit, I mean, some of this stuff's pretty damn cool, you know?
Yeah.
Some of it's a little reckless, but you know, that's just how the car scene is. Dude, this meet was crazy. I guess that's... getting hyphy out here. It's getting hyphy. Well, just your average meet, I guess, down here in the San Diego area.
Right.
Nothing new for these people. Come out the car meets for, I guess, the excitement and all the burnouts. Whatever else, man. I wouldn't recommend it, but it sure is fun to watch. As you can see, we are not partaking. We are only watching from a distance. All right, where's the next guy? Where's the next guy? Who's gonna do the next burnout? Well, the cops came and went, and I don't see him again. He was smiling when he was going through all the crowd. He straight had a smile on, like these kids. This guy. Hey! One real meal! Damn. That guy's vaping. Everyone vapes out here. Smells nice and toasty. Well, it was a nice place. All these burnouts give the place a little character, you know? Yes. Thing is sick. Super sick, man. Dope. I guess the party's over. We got the cops here. Dude, this meet was freaking lit. Well, what a wild Wednesday, Kyle. What a wild Wednesday that was. That's a wrap. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope it turned out good, because I don't know how it is, because I didn't edit the video yet, but I'm sure it was pretty exciting. Anyways, this was a little car meet. Just wanted to take you guys along and show you the experience. So apparently the elevator's broken, so we're gonna start walking up the flights of stairs, and we're gonna get out of here as my gimbal starts to twitch. But we're just gonna twitch to the end of the video. Gotta find the car. Went limp again. Gimbal's going limp. All right, I guess we'll take the stairs. Why take the stairs when you can take the escalator? One way or another, we'll find our way out. There's the Mazda Speed 3. Give you guys a better look at it. I think it's pushing, you know, like I said, an XXX amount of horsepower. And yeah, it's tuned, it's built. See this on the street? Don't run it or you're gonna lose. Unless he stalls in first, but we gotta let her warm up because she is a built motor. And yeah, she's got some bits and pieces inside, that's for sure. She purrs like a little kitten. Ain't nobody in here no more. Can I hear the echo? Can I hear an echo? Someone was just asking for a car meet video. And well, I guess you got that today. Burnouts and all.
Yeah, San Diego style.
I went to another car meet just last week and it was pretty much the same thing. Burnouts everywhere, cops getting called, whole bunch of rowdy, reckless drivers. But you know, we don't condone any of that type of behavior. But it is what it is. You're gonna find that in the car scene here and there. But it is fun to watch, let me tell you that. So as long as you're not participating, I think you're okay to watch. Ooh, Miata. So we're gonna do a quick little pull out in front by the cops. Right. See if we can light us up real quick, make the video a little bit more extreme.